Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to find saved posts on LinkedIn. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. So first we're going to open the LinkedIn, and once you've opened, you will see this screen. And there are two ways in finding the saved posts or opening the saved post in LinkedIn. Okay, so for the first way, let's try and saving a post. Okay, so let's say you want to save this post. All you have to do is to tap on the three dotted icon at the top right part of the post. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the save button there. And on this way, you have to be fast or quick. As for when you tap on save, as you can see, there is a prompt saying that the item saved, you can either dismiss or see all. Let me show you it. As you can see, just tap on see all, and you will be transferred to the my items. And to go further, just tap on save posts and article to see all the posts that you've saved. As you can see, it is here on the save posts and articles. So that is the first way, but you have to be quick. And for the second way, if you missed that prompt, all you have to do is to go back again, back here in the home page. And to find save post, all you have to do is to tap on your profile on the top left part of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see this prompt. And on here, the one we're looking for is your profile. You can do that by tapping on view profile. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to your profile. And all you have to do is to scroll down and go to the resources category. And on here, as you can see, it is not shown, but you can see it by tapping on show all 5 resources. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, on the bottommost part of the settings or the set of option, you will see the my items. Let's go ahead and tap it. And as you can see, the one that we saw earlier when we tapped on see all is the same with this one. All you have to do again is to tap on save posts and articles to see the save post. And you can now access the save posts and articles. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.